It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, Woofy the dog. Morning, sheep. There's Honk the car. There's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Swo-Swoosh knows that sound. It's Toot calling. There's Toot the boat. Why is Toot calling? Look, Woofy has his head stuck in a bucket. Poor Woofy, he can't get his head out. The bucket handle is in the way. What's wrong, Toot? Calls Swo-Swoosh.
It's Woofy. That silly dog has gone and got his head stuck in a bucket,
says Toot. Oh dear, Woofy can't see where he is going.
Go and help Woofy get that bucket off his head. He might hurt himself,
says Toot. Honk and Swo-Swoosh were off to save Woofy. But how are they going to take that bucket off Woofy's head?
Remember to get Woofy to calm down and stop running. We don't want Woofy to hurt himself,
calls Toot. Toot was right. Woofy can't see where he is going. He might hurt himself. Where did Woofy go? asks Honk.
He went that way with a bucket on his head,
laughs Floppy. You shouldn't be laughing at poor Woofy. Woofy is very scared because he can't see, says Honk. How would you like it if your head was stuck in a bucket and you couldn't get it off? Honk was right. The rabbits wouldn't like it if their head was stuck in a bucket. The rabbits decided to try and help Woofy. Stop, Woofy! It's me, Swo-Swoosh! You must stop running, calls Swo-Swoosh. Poor Woofy. Woofy, whispers Honk. It's me, Honk. Don't run away. We are going to slowly lift that bucket off your head. Sit, Woofy, sit, says Honk firmly. That's a good dog. Sit nice and still, whispers Honk. Clever Honk. Honk knows the best way to keep Woofy calm is to talk nice and softly. But how is Honk going to get the bucket off Woofy? Please help Honk take the bucket off Woofy's head, asks Swo-Swoosh. Now sit nice and still, Woofy. The rabbits are going to lift the bucket off your head, whispers Honk. Honk told Floppy and Fluffy how to take the bucket off Woofy's head. Well done, Honk. Well done, rabbits. Woofy can see again. Woofy has learned a very important lesson. Never put your head into places you can't get it out of again. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swo-Swoosh. See you next time.